Hey, what's up, family? My name is Brehon Mills, and I'd like to welcome you guys back to the channel. We love focusing on our own financial and personal development. Hey, family, I want to take a quick minute to talk about this book, man. One of my all-time favorite books. You can see I still have pages where I got a bunch of notes and everything on each page. But man, this is a phenomenal book, The Greatest Salesman in the World. One of the most phenomenal, one of the most awesome books that you can ever read in your life. And I just want to talk about the end of one of these chapters, and it talks about affirmations, and it talk about, developing your mindset for success. And one of the things at the end of the chapter, he talk about failure. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Right. And so when it comes to anything in life, when it comes to being super successful in the stock market, you must have determination. You must be determined to succeed. And oftentimes these stock gurus, they present the idea that, you're going to win 100% of the time. You're going to go from $0 to $10,000 in a matter of days. And that's not true. And so what I like to do is I like to be honest. And, I've taken a lot of losses, but I've also had a lot of wins. And at the end of the day, it's your amount of wins that you hope supersede your losses by a tremendous amount. All right. So again, just want to talk about that. Hey, man, determination is important. It will help you get to your desired destination. All right. Great book, The Greatest Salesman in the World. One of the greatest books you will ever read in your life. All right. Now, I want to talk about some options I had to do. Some options that I placed yesterday and today. And so in my TD Ameritrade account, I had like 3 options I placed. I closed out on 2 of them, and I was in the negative on this one here. And so I decided to give it another day just to see what could happen. And I've gotten back to positive, and I'm actually a plus $4.34. Again, when it comes to options, when it comes to trading, you're not going to hit a home run every single time. Your ultimate goal is to never strike out. If you can get a single, we're going to get a single. If we can get a double, we're going to get a double. If we could get to a triple, let's get that triple. And if we can get a home run, by God, let's go for the home run. But oftentimes the ultimate goal is just to get on base, right? And so yesterday I was behind in the count, man. I was almost to the point of striking out on this one. I was gonna sell, take my losses, but I decided to hang in there one more day based on candles, based on sentiment of the market, and hopefully we'll continue a move back upward. All right, so I'm up to $4.34 on that one, and also placed a September 16th 2022 call option. And so anytime I'm putting a large amount of money on options, because I've lost a lot, and so when I'm putting 2,500 3,000 on any type of options, I go further out because it's less volatile. Okay, so now if I have a 10% gain, 15% gain on this one, man, I sell and I reprocess and I evaluate where I'm at, and I look for opportunities so I can jump back in. All right, so I'm still holding these 2, and hopefully the market will we had a phenomenal Monday. The week's been good, and it's very likely that people could sell off and people can take profits. Okay, so we're going to be prepared for that, and we're going to wait and see how the market opens tomorrow. And if I'm up to a level that's satisfactory for me, I'm going to end the week with W's, with wins. Okay, so that's 2 options there. My Robinhood account, again, I have a 3 contracts totaling $1,800. And this is a $400 call option expiring August 19th. And so I'm up 17% on that, $264. Again, man, based on charts, based on the sentiment, I'm going to let it ride one more day. And you just don't know what this market is. So crazy, man. We could be down $3 or $4 in the morning, and this could be back to 0. And so hopefully the stock gods will let the momentum travel on to the morning time, at least until the market opens. Okay, now This is my fourth one. A 385 call option, expiring July 5th. Again, I'm up 190 bucks on this, 35%. Now, normally, again, I would sell when you're up 35%. You got to take those profits there. But, sometimes based on the sentiment of the market, there's a possibility that we could have some momentum carry on into the morning. And so hopefully if the market opens and I'm up a little bit, I'm thinking about closing out all positions. All right. Now let's take a look at the stock SPY ETF. All right. Now, as we all know, the trend is downward, right? So we're going to have a lot of downward movement, but when we're having this downward movement, we're going to have occasional days where we're going to come down, we're going to reverse to the upside. We're going to come down, we're going to reverse to the upside. We're going to come down, we're going to reverse to the upside. And so again, family, this is a cycle that repeats itself over and over again. And, stocks plays never move too far from that 20 SMA. So hopefully, family, and then we take a look at the MACD. I'm looking for an opportunity here where the oscillator crossover going up, and we could ride this thing going up, further momentum, pushing the play back up. We're going to get out, sell, and hopefully position ourselves for some put options so we can ride this thing on down. Okay. And so right now we're trending down. We had the oscillator trending down. Now the oscillator has begun to flatten out and actually curve upward. So hopefully in the next day or two, we will have a crossover on the oscillator going up, and we will have an opportunity to make money. Hopefully, just because the crossover occurs, we have momentum coming in. It doesn't guarantee that it's going to go up tremendously. We could have a lot of sideways trading. What we have here, then it can fizzle out and go back down. And so that's what I'm expecting, family. I'm expecting the crossover to occur, drive back up, drive the price up a little bit, we flatten out, and then we go back down. All right. And so again, we had 4 consecutive days green candles. Friday is a profit taking day. I believe it's going to be a profit taking day, but hopefully that profit taking won't occur until late afternoon. But when we look at the development of the candle is a good candle. So we opened at 376. The price was driven down to 372. The bears came in and drove the price back to the open of 376, past the open of 376, and closed at 378.83. And so what we're looking at is momentum. The bulls came in, they stole the show, and they closed above the opening price. And hopefully what we should expect is more of that momentum to carry on and carry over until Friday. All right. Okay. We've had a tremendous sell-off. It's time for a slight rebound and then another sell-off, family. And so we're going to be positioning ourselves for these opportunities. I'm already positioned. I have some options out there, and I may take a look at SH. All right. And so SH is the inverse stock, right? It does the opposite of what the SPY is doing. So when the SPY is trending down, SH is trending up. When the SPY had a few down days, and the SPY had some up days, SH had some down days, right? And so as of right now, we had a nice run up, met with the doji candle at the top of this uptrend. And what do we have? Following candle, bearish. Good confirmation that we're going to have more downward movement to the downside. And so there's an opportunity for you to place a put option on SH, right? So because there's a strong possibility that we may get back down to the 20, we may get down to $16 and then springboard off of that 20 and proceed to new highs and to new levels. All right. Yeah, family. Again, man, we're going to keep monitoring the market. As of right now, you don't have to study 10, 15, 20 plays. You could take 1 or 2 looks one or two opportunities and you want to maximize those opportunities, mainly one or two stocks that you want to be preparing your option trades or preparing your stock trades for. You know, you have some funds available to get 100, 200 shares of SH. You know, when SPY is trending down, that's a great opportunity, because when SPY is trending down, SH is going to be trending up. But SPY is trending up, so SH is going to trend down, right? So we don't want to be in SH right now unless it's put options, okay? All right. Now, family, I hope this video added some value to you. Now, if it did, please hit that like, hit that subscribe, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.
Welcome to my channel, Stocks and Books by Bree, where we talk about buying stocks and dividends, dividing and supplemental learning. Want the secret? Gotta read. Here we go over the fundamentals you need to succeed. Major keys, you might get some gems, economic gems. So be sure to go hit subscribe so you can stay linked in.